Yes, you can air dry upholstery outside after cleaning, but you must match the method to the fabric and weather conditions. For natural fibers like cotton or linen, blot excess water with clean towels and set the piece in a shaded area with strong cross ventilation, propping cushions upright and spacing pieces to allow airflow on all sides. For synthetic fibers like polyester or olefin, these tolerate more direct air and dry faster, so you can use a breezy porch or screened patio but still avoid prolonged direct sun to prevent heat damage. Use a fan or battery-powered blower to increase air movement when humidity is high, and check the underside and seams frequently because trapped moisture there leads to mold. Gently pull the fabric to restore shape while damp, but do not twist or wring. For foam or padded interiors, lift cushions off the frame and position them on their sides so air reaches the core, and weigh down corners with light objects to prevent warping as they dry. If the weather forecast shows rain within the next several hours, move items inside or under cover, because re-wetting can set stains and encourage mildew. Always test a small hidden area for color fastness before extended outdoor drying, and if odor persists, finish with a few hours of indoor air drying near a dehumidifier or heater set to a moderate level. Use ultraviolet protective fabric sprays sparingly only after completely dry if sun exposure is unavoidable, and follow manufacturer instructions for upholstery cleaners and fabric care tags. Common mistakes are leaving upholstery in direct sunlight, which causes fading and fiber brittleness, so always choose bright shade or morning light and rotate pieces to limit exposure. Another frequent error is drying too slowly in humid conditions, which fosters mildew. Add forced air and consider moving items into a dry room with a dehumidifier if humidity stays high. People also forget to check padding and seams and assume surface dryness means complete dryness, so open zippers, unzip covers when possible, and feel the interior to confirm everything is dry before reassembling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical articles on drying and fabric care that relate to outdoor projects. We also host a discussion community where our users and contractors share tips, availability, and real-world experiences.